Everyone, my name is Al Priyanka. I am from Vizag. I completed my BTech in the year of 2021 in Electrical and Electronics Engineering stream from Ishwanath Institute of Technology and Management. I am currently working as a service desk engineer in Subex Systems Limited, payroll innovative digitech service. My responsibilities of my job is to uh, generating the tickets and aligning the engineer of concerning team to solve the issue encountered and coordinating with the engineers as well as the users for the update of the calls, closing the tickets id with the proper resolution method followed by the engineers to troubleshoot the issue, taking the users acknowledgement before closing the tickets id, checking and generate the daily call reports, monthly call reports, interacting and escalating the issue with seniors and follow the resolution methods. All mails to be read thoroughly and replied to all the concerned in case of escalation, maintaining the hardware and software inventory and followed IT documentation process. I'm handling the service desk of 245 cooperative users and 3 IT supports and knowledge in closing the service desk tickets software tools like Remedy, Footprint, etc. My technical skills are working experience on Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10 installations, customization and administration, knowledge in setting up the wireless NIC, local printers configuration, and MS Outlook configuration, backup and restore processes, installation of various software applications softwares, and my key attributes are sense of commitment and knowledge enables me to execute my task efficiently. Quality of being a good team player enables me to adjust in different situations and adapt in different environment easily. Self-confident and good communication skills, leadership qualities. Comfortably work in different shifts in 24/7 environment. Um, my short-term goal is to become join a reputed company for a better learning. And my long-term goal is to become a team lead or a cloud admin. Uh, my hobbies are reading books, listening songs, and playing. My strengths are adaptability, ability to work in under high pressures, and coming to the weakness, hesitation, and stage fear. But I'm working on it. Now I'm looking for a job chances, and I'm sincere and honest and a hardworking person, and assure that I would be a great asset to your company. Thanking you.